Welcome to Weekender ADV. I'm Justin, and this is my 2016 Africa Twin. Alright, so I'm going to do an average guy review because I'm just an average guy who needs to lose 10 pounds. He's on his third motorcycle. Before this one, practically no off-road experience, so no dirt biking or dirt bike once or twice or something. Like, you know, what do I think of this thing? I love this thing. I don't know, I love the sound, the power, the delivery. Yeah, I think it handles really well. Yeah. Is it a sport bike? No. You know, I had a sport bike before, but for what this thing is, it's a ton of fun, you know. How's it off-road? Well, I don't know, I'm a noob. I mean, I take it up Jeep trails and stuff like that, and it eats them up, and I drop it, bang it up. You can see I went to a dirt riding course with my buddy. We went dirt bikes first day, these the second day. You know, took them all on the same track, so we had the dirt bikes on the day before, little 250s, and, you know, we did it. You know, so he's got an F800, so these bikes will do that kind of thing, you know, if you want them to, but how well, I don't know, who knows. Of course, you know, that's the issue, right? You need 15 motorcycles to be able to do all the things you want. Well, I'm gonna keep this one, that's for sure. What have I done to it? All-rider crash bars.
These are definitely a lifesaver because I dump this thing a lot.
All-rider skid plate.
Beefy skid plate. So I got the all-rider plate here, and it runs all the way back. I've got the extension piece for the center stand to protect the lower link.
Dealer installed options are center stand and a 12-volt outlet, must have. Today, just got myself a early Christmas present. Got the Barkbuster handbars. I'll link a install and first impression view for those, and the double take mirrors. You can see I'm missing a mirror and missing my hand guards. Why? Because the earth came up and smacked them off the motorcycle.
Wow, 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 wow. I don't even know what I'm doing.
But that's just what it is. I mean, I bought this thing to ride like that. I got Touratech cases, the Zega Mundos. You can check out my review.
All right, so I went with the Touratech cases, and this is the rack here.
So I got about 7,000 miles on this thing, and I just switched over recently to the GPS Tractionator, or Moto Z Tractionator GPS tires.
Moto Z Tractionator GPS.
And so far I really like them. You can go over 90 miles an hour on them comfortably, of course, if you're on a closed course wearing proper protective equipment. You can do these things. Once I got the tires scrubbed in, watch out for that, huh? They felt great. Are they vibey? A little bit, like at low speed you could feel them. But faster, it just all smooths into the rest of the feel of the motorcycle. There we go. So I don't know, I'm just like a regular guy telling you what I think about my motorcycle. Like when I was watching videos, you know, I'd see really good riders nitpicking between a BMW R1200 and this thing, and I'm like, well, aren't they kind of built for different purposes a little bit? But I don't know, that's just me, and I'm not a really good rider, so I guess I don't really care about whatever 20 horsepower more that a BMW has or something like that. So am I gonna notice that? Like when I grab a fistful of this thing, that's enough for me for now, I guess. I don't know, but what are you gonna do with that in the dirt anyway? Unless you're a real hero. I'm just a regular dude. Man, that's cool. Would I like heated grips? Yeah, that'd be cool. Would I like cruise control? Yeah, that'd be cool, because I do clock away a lot of highway miles on this. Oh, okay, yeah, the adjustable windscreen, Bateson. Yeah, you gotta email this guy. He's out in Germany.
Bateson adjustable windscreen adapter. Bam.
Wolfgang Bateson, yeah. So I'll put some links down below and describe what to do. Maybe link another video that's like a really good overview of the thing. All right, yeah, it's time to stock up and go home. Hey, from myself, Justin, and Weekender ADV, thanks for watching. Hey, be safe and have fun riding.